the Seniors Club. Okay, but well, anyway, I'm very happy to meet you this special day of yours. So enjoy your special day. Happy 60th birthday.
Love fam, congratulations on turning a big 6. Tagago ba? Go forward na kita. Bye.
For you, na malayo ka sa family mo, kag sa mga bata mo, kag bana mo, ang nagbulit ka para lang mag-care ka nanay. So,
Happy birthday! Hindi pagkalimutan ang beauty secrets.
Happy birthday, Tita. How about one?
Happy birthday, Tita De. May many, many more birthdays to come. Have more patience and achievements. We love you.
Happy Bao. Daw unfair how. Wala kami na iyan. Ikaw lang na iyan. Celebrate ka ga. Happy how. But I mean, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy your birthday. Guys, I need to tell you a secret about Auntie Didi. The secret is, actually, it's not a secret. Siya ni ang pinaka-favorite na auntie namin. Ang mga inablo siya ang pinaka-favorite na auntie. Kaya hindi man sekreto kasi Auntie Didi is a very kind person. Kung may problema ka, kanto ka lang siya, kaya she's always willing to listen. Okay, Auntie, happy birthday, Swat! Enjoy your birthday! Pila pa na lagi? 25. Actually, Auntie, you don't look like...
happy birthday! Enjoy your day, Tita. God bless you always. And we love you. Happy birthday! Bye!
Hello. Jesus. Keep on praying. Keep on praising.
Hi, Nong Didi. Happy 60th birthday. Wishing you a good health and long life. Happy birthday.
Ma, happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Gabay pa nga happy kasi more birthday and wish you more birthdays pa. Bye, Ma.